Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to add a white flash transition in DaVinci Resolve 16. Really easy and simple to do. So you just need to make sure that you have two clips on your timeline like I have here. I just have one, but I just cut it in the middle just for the tutorial, but you're going to obviously want to have two clips in here because you're going to put the transition in the middle of them. So just make sure you have two, and then you just want to go over to the effects library, click on that, and then just click on generators under toolbox. And then you just want to click on solid color and just drag it onto your timeline like I have here. Once the solid color is on your timeline, you just want to make it a bit smaller because you don't want it to be like crazy long. You just want it to be like a quick kind of transition. So we'll just make it a bit smaller. And then we'll just make sure it's in the middle of the two clips. So just like this. So let's actually zoom in a bit so it's a little bit easier. So just in the middle as you can at least. So just like this. Once you have it in the middle like that, you just want to click on the solid color and then go over to the inspector on the top right. Click on that, and then you can just click on the color and change it to white. And then click OK. And then if we go into look at the opacity setting under composite here, you just want to drag this red tool all the way over to the start. And then you want to click on the opacity little diamond at the right beside the number. Click on that so it turns red. And then you want to put that to 0 at the start. And then you just want to move the red tool into the middle where the break is between the two clips. Click on the diamond on the opacity again. Put it to 100. And then you just want to drag the red tool all the way over to the end of the clip. Click on the opacity diamond one more time. And then turn it to 0. And then if we go back and take a look, you'll notice that you have a nice white transition between the two clips. So let's go take a look. And just like that, it's that easy to make the white transition. I hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.